1. Recipe. Instructions for preparing a particular dish. We will be following a recipe for chocolate chip cookies today. 2. Ingredients. The items needed to make a dish. Make sure you have all the ingredients before starting. 3. Utensils, tools used in the kitchen for cooking. The instructor showed us how to use different utensils for cooking. 4. Preparation work before cooking, such as chopping vegetables. Let's do all the prep work before we start cooking. 5. Chop, to cut into small pieces. Chop the onions finely for the salad. 6. Dice, to cut into small cubes. Dice the tomatoes for the salsa. 7. Mince, to cut into very small pieces. Mince the garlic for the sauce. 8. Saute, to cook food quickly in a small amount of oil. Saute the vegetables until they are tender. 9. Simmer, to cook slowly in liquid just below the boiling point. Let the sauce simmer for 15 minutes. 10. Boil, to cook in boiling water. Boil the pasta until it is al dente. 11. Bake, to cook in an oven using dry heat. Bake the cake at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. 12. Grill, to cook on a grill over direct heat. We will grill the chicken for a smoky flavor. 13. Whisk, to beat or stir with a light, rapid movement. Whisk the eggs until they are fluffy. 14. Fold, to gently combine ingredients without knocking out air. Fold the whipped cream into the batter. 15. Marinate, to soak food in a flavorful liquid before cooking. Marinate the meat for at least an hour. 16. Season, to add salt, pepper, or other spices for flavor. Season the soup with salt and pepper to taste. 17. Blend, to mix ingredients thoroughly. Blend the smoothie until it is smooth and creamy. 8. Knead, to work dough by folding and pressing. Knead the dough until it is smooth and elastic. 19. Garnish, to decorate a dish with small pieces of food. Garnish the dish with fresh herbs before serving. 20. Taste, to sample food to check its flavor. Always taste your dish to adjust the seasoning if needed. Example conversation. Today we'll be making a classic lasagna. First, let's go over the recipe and gather all the ingredients. I have all the ingredients ready. What should we do next? Start by chopping the onions and mincing the garlic. Then we'll saute them in a pan. How long should we saute the vegetables? Saute them until they are soft and translucent. After that, we'll add the ground meat and let it simmer. Got it. And for the pasta, boil the lasagna noodles until they are al dente. Then we can start layering everything in the baking dish. This sounds fun. I can't wait to taste the final dish.